Rotate the touchscreen to power on Osmo Pocket 3. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS on your mobile device, and launch the DJI Mimo app. Tap Device in the top left corner, and Mimo will automatically search for nearby DJI devices. In the device list, select Osmo Pocket 3. Tap Connect. At this moment, a verification code will be prompted in the Mimo interface. Tap Accept on the device, and both the mobile phone and camera will be connected to the Mimo app. D-Log-M is designed to capture a wide dynamic range from the sensor, and colors are distributed evenly, so the dark parts of a picture are greatly improved. At this stage, overall saturation and contrast of the image will be relatively reduced, ensuring that additional color and brightness information is not lost during video encoding. This facilitates post-production for creating videos with different styles. In DJI Mimo, enter the playback page. Tap the Edit button to apply preset filters to D-Log-M footage. Or restore the colors of the footage and export.